Start your camera.
Hello everyone. Uh, Education is not about the learning facts, but it is about the training of your mind to create the ability of thinking, said by Albert Einstein. Very good evening everyone. My name is Pawan. I am compelling this event presented by Money Butters in association with Career Dreams Education. As we all know that it's the last day of our workshop of accounting, and we have created some value added sessions, right? And before going into the last session of today, I want to know about the how you feel about these days, and can anyone from of you participants can explain about the these four sessions we have held? Can anyone please? I want just a small feedback, or I will call your name from you. Feel free to give a feedback. So I will call your names from the participants. Sanjay, can you give me a small feedback about this our sessions? Hello, Ramya ma'am, am I audible?
Someone, if
Yes.
someone,
Yeah, Ramya ma'am, can you
Yes.
give me
Uh,
feedback about our accounting sessions till we had now?
yes, sir. Good evening, sir. First of all, it is really good and enlightening. It really taught us basics, which are pillars of accounts. I have relearned again in this process. So it's helped me in revising and in revision process.
Yeah, thank you ma'am, very thank you ma'am. And I want everyone to share our Ramya ma'am in chat box please, as he has as she has given our feedback. So share everyone please. Yeah, I want from everyone. Encourage her. She has given a valuable feedback. Thank you ma'am, thank you all. And before going to the session, as we have given our assignments, I hope everyone have done with it. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're
Yeah,
audible.
yeah, you are audible.
Yeah, as in we have given assignment right in our group, so I think you have done with it.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you, and further without any delay, and I would like to welcome our today presenter to continue the presentation of today. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Pawan sir. And good evening, everyone. Hello, good evening.
Good evening,
Good,
Sneha ma'am.
good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening, ma'am.
Yes, how are you doing? How about your classes and all? Hello?
Great, ma'am.
Yes, yes. And Tarvinder sir, can you please present the screen? Yeah, participants, I think you all are clear with all the notes and all up to yesterday. And today we are continuing with the problem session. And anyone has any doubt in the problem session till yesterday? Or any theory part, do you have doubt? I think everyone is clear with that. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yesterday we had started with the cash account ledger. So we can go to the next ledger account. So today
Okay, ma'am.
I'm not explaining. I'm not explaining. Um, Someone from the participant side will explain that. Okay. As you all have no doubts, so I will choose one. Namrata ma'am. Hello? Namrata ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you explain the capital account?
Yes, ma'am.
It's great, ma'am.
Hello, Namrata ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, the
Yeah.
journal entry for capital is that cash account debit to capital account,
Hmm. Yes.
cash or bank account debit. So,
Hmm.
as the capital is in credit side, so by bank it will be in the credit side, that is 45,000, and
Hmm.
to balance CD it will be in debit side, that is 45,000. That is
Yeah.
month ending, and the next month will start from 1st July, that is by balance BD, which is 45,000.
Yes, ma'am. You are right, ma'am. Thank you, Namrata ma'am. So, the
Thank,
capital account, I say, yes, sir. Yes, Pawan sir.
yes, thank you, Namrata, ma'am, and clap for Namrata, ma'am.
Okay.
All of you
Yeah, yeah,
clap.
clap.
Yeah, she
Everyone
has
give a
answered.
clap in the chat box. Yes. And yesterday I told about the cash account. We are doing the capital account. Because the first entry was like cash account related to capital and the capital was in credited. Okay, so the balance will be 45,000. Hmm? Then the by balance, that balance drawdown will be 45,000. It will be shown in the um, balance sheet. Okay, it will be taken for the further proceedings. Then when we come to the bank account, there were 3-4 entries. First of all, it was furniture account related to bank. By check, by using check, the furniture was being purchased. So the entry was like furniture account related to bank. Okay. So the bank account has been credited. So here, in credit side, furniture account we will write, and the amount was 5,000. Okay. So also for drawings also. Mhm. For the drawings, it was 1,000 rupees. It was being withdrawn from the bank account. Right. So we will write in the credit side as drawings, because drawings account was debited and bank account was credited. So in credit side we will write drawings. Okay. The amount was 1,000 rupees because it was used for personal use. It is written as drawing. Okay. Also, one more withdrawal has occurred in the same day. That's for the cash for business. For business use, cash was being withdrawn from the bank. So it came as 5,000 by cash account. Okay. Then the balance will be 14,000. Here, the credit side is more than debit side. Okay, so balance will be 14,000. Okay, balance will be brought down. That will be come at the debit side. Okay, anyone have any doubt in this bank account? I think it's clear. So,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. So, Bindu sir, can you go to the next slide? So, I will select Rishil Kamal sir. Rishil Kamal sir. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you please explain purchase account?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So, coming to the purchase account, the ledger postings will be depending upon the journal entries we made. So, ledger is nothing but posting the entries which we made in the journal to the respective accounts, to the individual accounts. So, coming to the purchase account, we have made a transaction on June 2nd, that is goods purchase for cash. So, the journal entry for this will be purchase account at to cash account. Obviously, in purchase account, we'll debit the cash account. So, to cash account 15,000. And coming to next date, so we should go by chronological order, that is date wise. So coming to the next entry is about June 10th. It's goods purchased from Amrit Lal. So goods have been purchased from Amrit Lal. So here it's a credit purchase since the name of the person has been mentioned. So goods have been purchased from Amrit Lal. The entry will be purchase account data to Amrit Lal account. So we have debited Amrit Lal to Amrit Lal to Amrit Lal 7. So and coming to next entries, there are no other entries regarding purchase. So now let's move on to the calculation of the account. So the total of the debit side is 22,000. When it goes to the as credit side, there is no any other entry. So the balance will be carried down. That's 22,000. So after tallying, the column should be equal so that we have to balance on the other side. Those balance will be carried forward to next year or next month. In this case, it's next month as we are preparing the ledger accounts and journal entries for 1 month. So carrying forward that balance of 22,000 to July 1st. So two balance brought down 22,000. That's it. Thank you.
Very good, sir. Very good,
Okay,
sir.
great, sir. Yes, it's great explanation. Thank you,
How
Rishi, sir.
how confident he is, ma'am. Very great, sir. Clap for
Yes,
Rishi,
yes,
sir.
yes, everyone clap for Rishi, sir. Was great
How
explanation.
confident he is.
Yes. So I think everyone has understand the explanation of purchase account. Anyone has any doubt in that purchase account? Okay, we can move to the next account. Okay, furniture account. Furniture account,
Yes, ma'am.
I will explain. Yes, I will explain for the furniture account. For taking the furniture account, yeah, we had bought purchased furniture, right? That entry was furniture accounted to bank account. So here it will come like bank account. Bank account was in furniture account was in debit side, so the bank will come at debit side. That was 5,000. We purchased furniture for 5,000. So the amount will be 5,000. Okay, and the balance carry down. For the credit side there is no amount, and so we will carry down. It is 5,000, and when we total that, it will come like debit balance. Okay, that will be balance brought down. Okay, so when we enter hello,
Hello, ma'am.
Pawan sir, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Now you are audible. You can
Okay.
continue, ma'am.
Okay. Sorry for interruption. So, for the furniture account, we will write like bank account in the debit side. That is 5,000. We have purchased, so it come at debit side. If there was a sales of furniture, it will come at the credit side. Okay. So the balance amount is 5,000. That will be brought down. Okay. Anyone have doubt in this furniture account? Okay, we can move to the next slide. Yes, sir. Next is sales account. And I will select one person. Pavitra, sir. Can you explain sales account?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, there is a journal entry in June 5, cash account, debit to sales account is 8,500 rupees. So here is the amount will be invested in credit side by cash account. It's 8,500. And the next entry was June 18. June 18 is Arvind Wali's account, debit to sales account. So it is also the debit side account. So we put in the debit side. And this transaction with the Arvind Walis, so by Arvind Walis, 4,000 rupees, and then we total is 12,500, but there in the credit size no transaction are happening. So in the so we, for the tally we take the balance CD and on the last of the month, and then the we have for the next month if July 1st that month carry down balance we have to put the by the balance BD, and that will go to the next month.
Okay, thank you, sir. Great, sir. You have done a great work.
Thank you, sir.
Nice explanation
Thank
you
you,
have
sir.
done. Yes, thank you, sir.
Clap for
Okay,
Pavitra,
I
sir.
think yes, you can
We
clap
need to
for
clap for
Pavitra,
her.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Very
Okay, I
valuable
think
answer.
everyone is clear. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. I think everyone is clear with this account, ledger account. Okay, shall we move to next account, that is trial balance? Anyone has any doubt in ledger account? Anyone need any explanation?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I think everything is clear. We can move to the trial balance. Okay. Parbinder sir, could you please move to trial balance slide? Okay, this is the trial balance. Can anyone tell me what you mean by trial balance? Any one of you, you are the last day of this accounting class. Anyone tell me what you mean by trial balance? Hello?
Tallying of the debit balances and credit balances.
Yes. Before going to the final accounts or final statements, we will check the arithmetical calculations and all, if it's correct or not, or we have done any mistake there. So we will try this trial balance. Okay? We are trialing the balance. So we got the balance brought down from all the ledger accounts. Okay? So we will write all the ledger accounts other than the creditors and debtors account. Okay. Other than all the accounts, we will write here and we will write their balances. Whether it is credit balance or debit balance, we will write according to that. There is credit and debit columns are there. We will write their balances according to that. So if these two sides are balanced, you can see that after calculating all the amounts, the balance is 58,520. If both sides are same or they are equal, they are tally, our calculations up to the ledger accounts are correct. Okay, so we can move to further calculations. So here we can see that cash account. Cash account is first. So in the cash ledger, okay, in the cash ledger it was balance. It was a debit balance. Okay. Okay, sorry. And in the cash account, it was a debit balance of 12,220. So we will write in the debit side. It's like 12,220. Then it is capital account. Capital account also shows the credit balance. Every time the capital account shows a credit balance. So here we will write in the credit side. Okay. Then it was bank account. Bank account also shown the debit balance. So we had we applied here in the debit side. Okay, according to all the accounts, we will write a credit or debit all the accounts according to the ledger account. Okay, and after that we will calculate all amounts and we will total it. If the total is like here it is 582,520, it was tally in both the sides, in credit and debit side. So we can assume or we can think like, yeah, our calculations up to here is correct. We can move further. If here any correction occurs, we have to check with all the ledger accounts and journal entries so that we can correct it. Okay, I think I am clear with this. Anyone has any doubt in the trial balance?
No, ma'am. It's clear.
No, ma'am,
Okay, any others
we
have?
can continue.
Okay, we can continue. Parminder sir, can you move to next slide? Okay. Next is trading account. Can anyone tell me what you mean by trading account or which account we are?
Trading account is where all the direct expenses of the company have been recorded.
Yes. Yes, sir. Thank
like
you, sir.
purchases, sales, opening stock, closing stock.
Yes. Yes, sir. In a business or a business organization, there occurs direct and indirect expenses. Like direct expenses means all the direct expenses that has been directly affect the business. It will directly affect the business process. That is the direct expenses. Okay, like purchases. Without purchases, we can't do further business. So it will be directly affect the business. Also the sales. Sales also, if we don't have any sales, it will directly affect our business. Okay, it will affect our profit and all. So like that, it is the direct expenses, which it will include wages, not salaries. Wages it will include. Then it will include electricity bill, water bill, like that. Okay, so these are the direct expenses happening towards the business, and it will be shown in the trading account. Okay, and here we have some direct expenses, that is purchase. Purchase will be in debit side, that is to 22,000, and we had some purchase return. Okay, some goods we purchased has some damages, so we had returned that. So we have to deduct that amount and write a total. Okay. So then Sales account is also sales account is also direct expense. So we will write sales here and then deduct the sales return amount. Okay, then we will write the we will balance the amount. So the balance amount will be, after balancing the balance amount from the credit and debit side, it will be gross loss or gross profit. Okay, if the credit side is higher, profit, and if the debit side is higher, it will be gross loss. Here it is occurred gross loss of 8,700. Okay, am I clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
So we can move to the
Yes,
profit and loss account. Yeah, profit and loss account, we call it as P&L account. That is the indirect expenses. Okay, in trading account, we will write all the direct expenses, and in the profit and loss account, we will write all the indirect expenses like telephone rent, stationery, rent, salaries. It will not affect the, it will affect the business, but it will not affect directly. It will indirectly affect the business process. Okay, so we will show or we will record it in the profit and loss account. So here we can see some examples. Gross loss. Before that, starting our P&L account or profit and loss account, we have to brought down our gross balance, gross loss or gross profit. Our gross loss will be brought down towards the debit side. Okay, and any gross profit is brought down towards the credit side. Okay. Then some examples are here, like telephone rent account, stationery bills, then rent, salaries, that will be recorded in the debit side. That are the expenses. So it will be shown in the debit side. Okay. Then some discounts received. We have received some discount from the creditor, and we will write it on the credit side. Okay. So here we can see that the debit side means our expenses is higher than the credit side. Okay, expenses is higher than our income or revenue. So we will balance and it will be net loss. If the credit side was higher and debit side was shorter, so we will write net profit. Okay. So here we can see that here occur net loss. So net loss by 12,780. So anyone has any doubt in this account, profit and loss account? Hello?
Yeah, I think no, ma'am. It can
no doubt.
Yeah, participants kindly respond to me. Okay, respond to me. So we can clear that you have no doubt. Okay? Then we can move to the next account. That's the final account. Tarbinder sir, can you move to next slide? Yeah, this is our final account, that is balance sheet. Okay, final statement. So in balance sheet, can anyone tell me what do you write in the balance sheet?
Assets and liabilities.
Yes, what it shows?
It shows the financial position of the company, so that what are the assets and what are the liabilities, who are the creditors, what is the capital, what are the drawings, and what,
Yes.
in that way, what the depreciation they are following, how much the assets are depreciated, how much is cash in hand, how much is cash at bank, who are the debtors, how much is the
Yes,
closing
you are
stock
right.
left.
Yeah. Yes, yes. Yes, sir, you are right. Okay. So in balance sheet, as the name suggests, we will balance all the accounts like assets and liabilities. Okay. Assets and liabilities will be equal to, asset will be equal to the liability side, liabilities of the business. If any error occur, any correction occur here, we can find that our problem or our calculation has made some mistakes. Okay. So for this, we can take the capital. Capital is liability. Okay. When we firstly start with some capital, the capital is a liability towards us. We have to pay that. This is taken in the case of business. So business have to pay the liability back to his owner. So it will be like a liability. Okay, the capital will be a liability of the business. So before giving the capital to the column, we will deduct some amounts. Okay, here drawings is there and net loss is there. If it was net profit, we will add that. Okay, here we got drawings and net loss, so we will deduct that from the total capital. And the final amount is 28,220, and it will be shown in the amount column. Okay, then some surplus was there, so we will add that also. That's 2,980. Okay, that are the liabilities. And the assets of the business. Cash is one asset. Yes, cash is asset of everyone. So here also the cash is an asset of the business. So it is written in the asset side. Okay, then bank account, bank balance. Bank balance is also the asset of the business. That is 14,000. Right. Then some furniture. Furniture was there. It was also furniture, buildings, that everything is an asset of a company or a business. So it will be written in the asset side. So when we total it, we get 31,200. Okay. So from this, we can find out that our problem or our calculation is correct because we got a tally amount. Same amount in asset side and as well as in the liability side. So we can say that, or we can conclude that, yes, our calculation is right. Okay. So this is the end of the session, like end of the problem. And anyone has any doubt in this problem? I know this is calculation and there will be some confusion. So anyone has any doubt in any of the calculation? I can explain that. Respond, guys. I need everyone's response
No
because today
doubts,
is the
ma'am.
last
It's
day.
clear.
No doubt.
Yes,
No,
everyone have to
clear, ma'am.
respond.
You can write yes or no in the chat.
Yes, you
More.
can write. Also write.
Yes, ma'am.
There is 20 plus people in this meeting, so I need that much respond. Okay, this is our final day, so kindly copy this.
Yeah, feel free to ask the doubts.
Okay, feel free to ask. Okay, thank you, Sonam ma'am. Yes. Yes, I think majority of them.
Yes, ma'am. Majority of people who voted for yes, since they have no doubts, ma'am. And thank you for this valuable presentation, ma'am. And as we know that it is our last day of accounting workshop. Uh, yeah, we having good sessions till these days.
Yes,
And thank you for all participants for making this session very successful. And I request all you to don't have the meeting. We will provide with a feedback form in chat box. If you fill the feedback form, we will get the certificate. So please don't leave the meeting now. And I would like to thank you all the team members of this workshop for making this team successful. And I would like to special thanks for our Shika ma'am for taking this initiative and making this workshop. And without Shika ma'am, it will all we can't do that. And I would like to I want to all the participants to clap for the Shika ma'am. Please clap in the chat box. Yeah, I want from all of them. Thank you, Shika ma'am, for this all the initiatives. And I will place the feedback form in the chat box. Guys, please fill this. Yeah, you can see the Google form in the chat box, and please fill the form. And within the 2 days, we will provide our certificate and the notes. So stay tuned with the group. And before leaving the meeting, and I want another student, another participant to give the feedback to our sessions. And would like to give any suggestions, we are welcome. Can anyone give a feedback again, apart from Ramya ma'am?
Rishil sir, can you give some feedback?
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am. So basically, the basics are the foundation for the pillars. So no matter how much you learn in accounts, basically we should know about these basics. So types of accounts and what is a journal, what is a ledger, and what is the process of accounting, what is the starting point and what is the ending point of accounting. And from this accounting, there it will be the auditing starts. That means auditing starts where the accounting ends. So accounting is necessary for auditing itself. So I think this is a beautiful workshop which I have been participated, and I have referred my friends as well. Looking forward to participate in these workshops as well. That's it. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Rishi sir. It's a very
Thank you, sir.
valuable
Thank you.
suggestions and valuable feedback. And I want Shika ma'am to give a small note to our participants.
Okay,
Shika ma'am.
thank you very much, Pawan sir, for being making everyone so much engaged and interactive. Thank you very much to all the speakers for this workshop, Sneha ma'am and Parvinder sir. They were the speakers, and without them, this workshop will not be uh, like we can't get so much of success with this workshop. So thanks to Sneha ma'am, Parvinder sir, Pawan sir for anchoring, and then Aishwarya ma'am for anchoring, then Chaitanya sir, then Diksha ma'am, everyone like, and even others, every one of you, whoever been the part of this, whether it was Alekhya ma'am, Aishwarya ma'am, then whoever has been attending, like maybe I couldn't forget the name, but yes, there was Sonam ma'am, Shivani ma'am, then Hari sir, everyone, and all the participants who are actively attending this particular workshop with us. Completely, I think they were there with us for all the 5 days. I hope it was been a wonderful
for you all, and I hope it will be very helpful.
Yes, okay. So I hope it will be helpful again for you all in the future, even for your career. And this is what I hope I'm being visible, right? So I'm
Yes,
happy.
ma'am, you are visible now.
Okay, yeah. So I hope like
Yes,
this
ma'am.
will make your career more brighter and helpful for your future. And even we are starting with more to workshops. The workshop is on investment and taxation. Anyone is interested, please join with that. And stay tuned for more updates. We will always be in contact with you all. And I hope you all will have a great future ahead for this. Thank you very much, everyone, for joining with us. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Pawan, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for cheering off all of us. And we have a very great session still now. And Sneha, ma'am, can you give a note for participants?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. And participants, I think it was a very good knowledgeable session to you, and everyone has enjoyed this session. And this was a short session, like 5 days of basics of account. I know more accounting basics are there. Actually, there are many things we have to cover, but for the time limitation, we have covered only the basics. Okay. So thank you all for joining us. And one more thing I want to add, as our company Money and Career Dreams are providing some internship, and if you are interested to join our internship, so you can join. There are many domains are there for our management students. There are finance is there, and HR is there, marketing is there. If you are interested, you can join. It's a 45 days internship, and there is training is there, and that will improve your presentation skill, communication skill, and all of that. So if you are interested, you can give your name, and you all are welcome to our internship program. And thank you for joining us. Thank you. Thank you so much. That's all, Pawan sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. And as the madam said, we will provide internships at any time. If you have any interest, and we can contact at any time, so that we have provide any kind of help. And as said, it is we have provided the feedback form in the Google feedback form in the chat box. Please fill the form, and we will provide the certificate within the 2 days. And we will also provide a short note, and stay connected with the WhatsApp group. Don't leave the group. And if you have any doubts in the future, you can contact our ma'ams at any time. They will give you a suggestion. And thank you for joining. And it's a great weekend. Happy week. Enjoy the weekend. Thank you. You can leave
And
now.
one last thing I want to add is whoever is filling the feedback form, first of all, it's compulsory for all the participants to fill the feedback form and share your screenshot on the in the group itself.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. So guys, please fill the feedback form. It's compulsory, and share the screenshot in our WhatsApp group. Thank you.
Yeah, it's compulsory for getting the certificate.
Yes. And we will have another 2 workshops of investment and taxation. And investment is going to start tomorrow. So if you have any interest, please contact us. We will provide the link to a register, and you can join also in the investment and taxation workshops. Please free to contact. Thank you very much. And ma'am, can they leave, ma'am?
Yes, participants can leave. We can stop recording.
You can leave now. All the participants, please.